Welcome back everyone into this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to select a text from a photo offline. You don't need any internet on your PC or on your Windows laptop. First go to the picture. I'm going to choose any of these pictures, for example, to choose this one. Then click on this button, scan the text. Then right click, select all the text, then copy the text directly to the Word or to your PowerPoint. For example, I will use the Word Microsoft. Use a new page, then paste the text. You can use this method for any language: Arabic, Urdu, or Mandarin, English, German, any language. Thank you for watching this video.